Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Sri Lotus Developers and Realty Limited. We are a developer of residential and commercial premises in Mumbai, Maharashtra, with a focus in redevelopment projects in the ultra-luxury segment and luxury segment in the western suburbs. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. The information in this video is not for publication or distribution, directly or indirectly, in or into the United States. No part of the contents of this video shall be copied or duplicated in any form by any means or redistributed. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers and Sri Lotus Developers and Realty Limited that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and pre-issue and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the red herring prospectus dated July 22, 2025 and the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated July 23, 2025 carefully before taking any investment decision in relation to the issue. Sri Lotus Developers and Realty Limited IPO consists of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value of 1 rupee each, aggregating up to 7,920 million rupees. The anchor investor bidding period will close on Tuesday, July 29, 2025. The issue will open on Wednesday, July 30, 2025 and close on Friday, August 1, 2025. Incorporated on February 17, 2015, having its registered and corporate office in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Since our establishment, we have aimed at building a brand centered around customer satisfaction by creating environments that enhance our customers' lifestyles. Our operations are strategically located in Mumbai, one of the biggest real estate markets in India. For the calendar years 2019 to 2023, the Mumbai Metropolitan Region (MMR) was ranked first among the top 7 Indian residential real estate markets, namely MMR, Pune, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, the National Capital Region, Chennai and Kolkata. In terms of supply, absorption and average base selling price, source ANAROC report. The ANAROC report has been exclusively commissioned and paid for in connection with the issue, and any reliance on such information for making an investment decision in the issue is subject to inherent risks. Our projects can be bifurcated into the following 3 categories: greenfield projects, redevelopment projects, joint development projects. As of June 30, 2025, we have completed developable area of 0.93 million square feet, consisting of both residential and commercial properties. Our developments focus primarily on ultra-luxury and luxury residential properties and commercial properties. As of June 30, 2025, we have 4 completed projects, 5 ongoing projects and 11 upcoming projects. Investors should note the following important risks. Our business is dependent on the performance of and the conditions affecting the real estate micro-markets with high geographical concentration in the western suburbs of Mumbai. As of June 30, 2025, all ongoing projects and most of our upcoming projects are in the western suburbs of Mumbai. Consequently, we are exposed to risks from economic, regulatory and other changes, as well as natural disasters in the western suburbs of Mumbai, which in turn may affect our ability to ensure sale of projects and pricing of units in such projects. Inability to complete our ongoing projects and upcoming projects by their respective expected completion dates or at all could have a material adverse effect on our business, results of operations and financial condition. As of June 30, 2025, we have 85 unsold units in our completed projects and 167 unsold units in our ongoing projects. If we are not able to sell our project inventories in a timely manner, then it may adversely affect our business, results of operations and financial condition. It is difficult to compare our performance between periods as our revenues from operations and expenses fluctuate significantly from period to period. We are entirely dependent on third-party contractors for the construction and development of our projects, and our largest contractor, Shri Gajanan Associates, accounts for 21.71%, 29.89%, and 28.10% of our total expenses for the fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024, and fiscal 2023 respectively. Any failure on their part to perform their obligations could adversely affect our business, results of operations, and financial condition. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 35 of the RHP. The promoters of our company are Anand Kamalnayan Pandit, Rupa Anand Pandit, and Ashka Anand Pandit, who together hold 352,020,000 equity shares of face value of 1 rupee each, representing 80.76% of the pre-issue, issued, subscribed, and paid up equity share capital of our company. Our board comprises of 6 directors, of whom 2 are executive directors, 1 is non-executive non-independent director, and 3 are independent directors, out of which 1 is woman independent director. Our company's revenue from operations during fiscal 2025 was 5,496.82 million rupees, with an EBITDA margin of approximately 52.57% in fiscal 2025. The company registered a profit after tax (PAT) of approximately 2,278.86 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 41.46% in fiscal 2025. Investors are advised to read the RHP, including pages beginning 278 for further information on financials and related information. There are outstanding legal proceedings involving the company, directors, and promoters. For further details, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 391 of the RHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards investment in our subsidiaries, Richfield Real Estate Private Limited, Dhyan Projects Private Limited, and Triksha Real Estate Private Limited for part funding development and construction cost of our ongoing projects Amalfi, The Arcadian, and Varun respectively, and general corporate purposes. The price band for the IPO is 140 rupees per equity share, floor price to 150 rupees per equity share, cap price. IPO will be conducted through book building process, with allotment of not more than 50% of the net issue to qualified institutional buyers QIBs, not less than 15% of the net issue to non-institutional bidders NIBs, and not less than 35% of the net issue to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on BSE Limited and the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited and Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the red herring prospectus dated July 22, 2025, the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated July 23, 2025, and any corrigendum or addendums thereto before taking any investment decision in relation to the issue. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document or information for making their investment decision. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters are seeking any investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase, or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely only on the disclosures made in the red herring prospectus dated July 22, 2025, any addenda and corrigenda thereto, and the pre-issue and price band advertisement dated July 23, 2025 for taking any investment decision in relation to the issue.